Hello, this is a presentation on adaptive learning technology, in particular a review of dreambox learning by dreambox. First, I want to lay the foundation and define what adaptive learning technology is and why it is important. Adaptive learning technology is a computer-based or online program that changes and adjusts based on the cognitive responses from the student. It captures every decision of the student and adjusts the student's learning path in real time. As a teacher, I think this is revolutionary and groundbreaking in that students come to my class with a variety of different levels. And having this type of adaptive learning technology is like having a teacher assistant for every student. Now, there are three basic components to any adaptive learning program. The first one is a baseline assessment. This is also called a diagnostic test and is used to find out where the child is. It starts off with a question, and depending on the student's ability, the next question could be remedial or advanced. Once the baseline is completed, an individualized targeted student instructional plan is formed. Students complete lessons, and based on the students' responses, the lessons may change. As the students complete the lessons, there is continuously skill monitoring of the student. Now, specifically, I want to talk about this adaptive learning technology called dreambox learning. Dreambox learning was created in 2006 in Bellevue, Washington by Lou Gray and the former Microsoft employee Ben Sifka. In 2010, Netflix CEO Reed Hastings acquired Dreambox through a charter school growth fund. Now, in addition to having those three basic components, in doing my research of Dreambox learning, what I found to be groundbreaking and a standalone is something that they call is the intelligent adaptive learning. And what's so great about this, it is pinpoint exactly where the student is academically. As the students deep dive and progress through the lessons, it continuously assess and reassess the data from each individual student. The skills are characterized, and based on mastery, the lessons may or may not change, and they go up or down. Students cannot progress if they have not mastered the skill. This is amazing in that students will get a good foundation, and it builds on knowledge that they already know. It is individualized and tailored to that student. Now, what does the research say about the Dreambox learning? The Center for the Educational Policy Research, CEPR, at Harvard completed a study of 3,000 math students in two districts. And the chart speaks for itself in that Dreambox learning had a significant increase in math scores with the NWA by using that program. Now, how can I implement the Dreambox learning program? In doing my research, I was able to do a trial run or a practice on the Dreambox learning program. I found it to be very entertaining, and some of my students were able to use the program and enjoyed it. If I had the opportunity to use the Dreambox program, I would use it in my small group instruction in addition to my intervention at my school. In summary, I found the Dreambox learning program to be very educational and a good program to have. Currently, my school is using, or my district is using, the iReady program. I will further this information to my math coach because I think it's an excellent program and the student would enjoy the program. These are my references. and thank you.